Hi everyone! What's going on? You may already know you can unlock Android phone with Google account. But what if you forgot your Google account or password? In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Android phone without Google account. Let's jump in. First of all, you need to reset your phone. Press volume down and power key for a few seconds to turn off your phone. When the screen goes dark, quickly push volume up and power button for a couple of seconds. Release all keys if you see the Samsung logo. Then you're in the recovery mode. Use volume buttons to select wipe data/factory reset and confirm with the power key. Next, select wipe cache partition. Choose yes. Then choose reboot system now with the power button. Then it's rebooting. After a while, you will need to reset your Android. Here I will skip the unimportant part. And you can see the verified Google account page. Here I recommend using violate for Android. You can check the download link in the description and download it. Once finished installed, connect your Android to PC. Open violate for Android. Click on Remove Google Lock section. Then select your device's version. Click Start. Next, you need to follow the steps on this page. Pick up your Android phone again. The first part is that return to the welcome screen. Then tap emergency call. Here enter *#0*#. Then go back to violate for Android. Click Next. A new pop-up shows up on your Android. Tap Allow. Right now, violate for Android is unlocking your FRP. The unlocking process will not be long. Your phone will begin to reset. Just wait and wait. Then it's done. Your FRP lock is gone. Yeah? It is super easy. Okay. Here is today's tutorial. If you like this video, you can subscribe us. Stay tuned for our next videos.